Hello guys, today I decided to do another video and I listened to viewer comments and yeah, I upgraded my lighting and I will try to shake a bit less. Thank you buddy for pointing this out, it helped to improve. So yesterday it was flea market day and I picked up those two little radios. The top one is Johnson Challenger, the VHF model, 25 watts output and with 8 channels programmable. We'll need to figure that out. Very nice little radio. And I picked up this perfectly working Cobra 29 LTD Classic. Very nice radio. The meter works, the light works. Yeah, it's. Don't think it has been modified in any way because you will see in just a minute. I got it hooked up to this antenna. I checked the SWR and it wasn't too bad even inside because still don't have my dummy load. I will turn off that lamp so we can see the scope. And I will just simply talk into the radio. So as you can see, the modulation is pretty good. No flat topping or anything. Yeah, bring that up. So as you can see, the modulation is not too bad, and yeah, pretty nice little radio. The SWR isn't that bad either, and yeah, I think that for 20 bucks for both, including an antenna and both of the microphone, it wasn't too bad. And now I tested the sensitivity on this one, and it's quite good. We'll need to take it apart, clean it up, get it back together, and should be good to go. What I also got to the flea market is this very nice Simpson high voltage probe, 10 kilovolt test probe for my Simpson 260 VOM. New old stock. I paid 10 bucks. This is a bargain considering what you see on eBay these days. So that would be a great addition to my Simpson VOM. And I bought off government auction online this very nice HP 8640B signal generator, RF signal generator. It goes up to 512 megahertz, and it has the option 003, which means 50 watts reverb protection. That can be quite handy if you happen to key up a radio into this thing by mistake. Do AM, FM, it modulates the signal, and yeah, that's just a beast. It has a next frequency counter built in that you can use to measure the stuff, so that would be very handy. It also has audio function generator included in it that you can also use externally. So that's very versatile unit that does a lot of stuff. I paid almost 400 Canadian dollars for this delivered. It worth every single dollar. Let me tell you that. So I will use that to just test the receive on it. It's not a very scientific way. Just have a little antenna hooked up here as with a T as in union. Yeah. You have minus 190 dBm. Let me see. Sorry for the camera work. Let's turn that on first. Modulate it at about 30%. 30% modulation. Yep. The radio just squelch limited and volume, and NL noise blinker, those are off, and on receive, and just let's turn the output on and just get close to the other antenna with this one. So I will try something is to just use those filters, and you can for the 400 Hertz tone we'll just go to 80 dB. Yeah, you can certainly pick that up. If I lower the RF gain, maybe it will be more clear. Too much. Yeah. Just go to 70 dB, minus 70 dB. So yeah, nice quiet radio. Again. Now it just picks it up anywhere. So turn that off. I was on channel 4, sorry. And yeah, that's a pretty good signal generator, and this radio works perfectly fine. So I'm very happy that I paid only 20 bucks for those two. This little Johnson is pretty much like a Motorola, so I like that. And this good old cover, it's a made in USA 1996 vintage, so very nice, well built radio. And a little update on that power supply that I was using it during the video. I just swapped the internal regulator with 7812, and I didn't put the pass transistor yet because 1 amp is way more than sufficient for just a little CB radio like that. So I will put the pass transistor in there soon, and yeah, it works great. So I'm happy with that. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.